Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 7th. Today we are going to start lesson number 2, part number 2. Our topic is Scratch. So let's start. Working with a sprite. Scratch has a gallery full of different sprites. We can choose any sprite from this gallery for our project. Sometimes we are unable to find a stable sprite. In such case, we can paint a new sprite. To get more sprite, explore the three new sprite buttons. First is paint new sprite. Second is choose a new sprite from file. And third is get surprise sprite. Background. We have learned many features of a sprite. All these features, when worked on a plain and white background on the stage area, looks very boring. We can make the background of the stage area colorful and attractive. Just a sprite can change its appearance by switching backgrounds as shown in pictures. To change the background of the stage, first is click on the stage icon at the left of the sprite list. Second is click on the backgrounds tab to see and edit the background. Saving a project. When we save a project, we have two choices. First is save as and second is save. We use the save as option when we are saving a project under different name. The steps involved are: first is click the file menu, click the save as option, select the location and enter a new file name. Enter your own name in the field project author. Enter some descriptive information about in the field about the project. And in the last, click the OK button. Next is opening a project. After saving the project, the next step is to learn is how to open an existing project. The steps to open an existing project are: click on the file menu, click the open option, select the location and the desired file, and click the OK button. Next is sharing projects. We know that one of the features of Scratch is to share our projects with others on the internet. If we have developed a project that we would like to share online, then we can upload the project within the Scratch screen. The steps to upload projects are: click the share menu, fill the required fields and click the OK button. The project gets uploaded on the website for others to see. Open your Scratch window. To get more sprite, explore the three new sprite buttons. The first is paint new sprite. You can paint a new sprite. Click on this. You can draw any shape. Suppose I draw a circle. Click OK. This is our new sprite. Choose a new sprite from the file. Second option. Here is many types of folder like as animals, fantasy, letters, people, things, transportation. Double click on anyone. Suppose I click on animals. Click on this picture and OK. And third is get surprise sprite. Click on this button and you get new surprise sprite. Again click on this. Again get a surprise sprite like this. Next is background. Click on the stage. Now click on background. Here we can also paint a background. by click on paint button. Next is import. We can import any background like desert, flower bed, green rock, flowers. Suppose I select desert and click OK. Now you can change the background. Third option is camera. You can get a background from camera or mobile. Next is saving a project. Click on the file menu. Click on save as option. Select the location and enter a file name. Suppose I uh, save the file on desktop, so click on the desktop. Now give the file name. Suppose I give the file name 7th class. Click the OK button. Now minimize it. You can find the scratch file on your desktop, 7th class. Next is opening a project. Click on the file menu. Click on open button. Select your location. Suppose click on desktop. Here we save the file with the name of 7th class. So search here 7th class, this file. Select the 7th class name file. Click the OK button. Our 7th class file is open. Thank you.